Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter coming to you again from my brother's home in San Antonio. I have today part of my top 10. Today we're going to do numbers 8 and then counting up to number 7 today. Every day this week I'm publishing a video counting down my top 10 Love Notions patterns until Friday will be number 1. And if you would like to earn a free pattern, go to the Dorothy's Daughter Facebook group and comment on the promotion of any of these videos, okay? Alright, so today I am going to reveal number 7 and number 8. So I will start with number 8, and that is actually 3 patterns. It is the game day jersey, and there's a version for ladies, there's a version for men, and there is also a version for kids. I have made a couple for me. My very favorite one was for my little grandson, and it's pictured here. And it's just a fantastic pattern. I will concentrate on the details on the ladies version, but do know that on the website you will be able to see the versions for children and for men, okay? I've made them for my husband and I've made them for my grandchildren as well. So this, for ladies, this comes extra small to 5X, so it has a very wide size range. There is a full bust option. You can do a split hem. You do short sleeve and 3/4 length sleeves, so a lot of variety there. You can do a dress length or a shirt length, and so it's very versatile. Grab your Cricut machine and cut the logo of your favorite sports team, and voila, you have yourself ready for fall, ready for that football season. Just as my little grandson was ready for the Kansas City Chiefs a few years ago in his little Patrick Mahomes jersey that he adores, and has asked me to make him another one as he's grown quite a bit since then. So that was number 8. Number 7 is the Olympia dress. The Olympia dress is a very specific cut that I really like. It's very slimming. If you are long in the torso, you may want to just lengthen that bodice just a tiny bit the way I did. It fits beautiful. It has kind of a fit and flare to it, kind of a swing dress, if you will. It comes in sizes extra small to 5X. There are bodices by cup size, which is really great. It comes A through double D. And there are 5 sleeve options: sleeveless, short, elbow, 3/4, and long. And also there is a knee-length dress and also a maxi-length dress. So imagine that in the summertime, sleeveless in a maxi. That is going to be one of my summer makes this year for sure. There are side seam pockets in the seam, so it's really nice because they're not on the front or anything. They don't add bulk because of the way that they're placed. And as usual for Love Notions, there's no trimming involved when you print the pattern. It's very simple. This is a great pattern for a beginner to intermediate sewist. So enjoy your patterns this week. This is May 2nd of 2023, and as of this time through Friday, all Love Notions patterns are on sale for 40% off. If you would like an extra 10% off, you can use my code COVERSTITCH, and you can get an extra 10% off even after that 40. So go ahead and do that and enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Happy sewing!